Hey there, are you thinking of buying land in Enugu but not sure where to start? Whether you are a first-time buyer or a Nigerian living in diaspora and planning to invest back here in Nigeria, this video is for you. I'm going to walk you through the process of buying land here in Enugu from start to finish so that you invest with peace of mind and avoid costly mistakes. Let's get started. Step 1. Decide your purpose and budget. First, be clear with what you want. Is it about building a home? Is it about future investment or to resell in the future? Once that is clear, set your budget, including not just about the price of the land, but the cost of documentation and also the cost of development. Step 2, choose a location. Pick a location that fits your goal. If it is for buy and build use, places like Centenary City, New Haven Extension, GRA, Transecool, Tinker's Corner, Premier Layout, they are great. But if it is for land banking or investment purposes, areas that are coming up, that development is heading to, areas like Ubekenike, Ugogonike, Owo, Port Harcourt Express, Way Axis, they are perfect for land banking and for investment purposes. Step 3, inspect the land. Always inspect the land that you want to buy physically or virtually with video calls with the person that is selling the land to you, whether he is a realtor or estate developer or an agent. Ask questions like, is the land accessible? Is there any dispute around the land? Is the land dry and buildable? These are the fundamental questions you need to ask and get clarified on. Step 4, verify ownership and documents. Verify ownership and documents. This is very important. You need to verify the document and the ownership of the land that you intend to buy. You can do this through ENGIS, or you can do that through the Ministry of Land. If the land is not registered, you need to do what is called traditional inquiry, traditional investigation. You go to the community and ask around the property. You can even go ahead and see the traditional ruler of the community and ask questions around the person that is about to sell the land to you, whether he is the true owner of the land that he wants to sell to you. What this does for you is that it confirms who truly owns the land that you want to buy, whether the land is under government acquisition or under litigation, and if the documents are real. You can do this personally or through a lawyer or a real estate advisor like me. Step 5, payment and documentation. Once the land is verified, you go ahead and make your payment, preferably through traceable method like bank transfer, not cash payments. After making the payment, make sure you receive an acknowledgement receipt, deed of assignment or irrevocable power of attorney if you are in Enugu, and a registered survey. Make sure these are properly signed by both parties. Step 6, register your land. You're not done yet until you register the land in your own name by applying for governor's consent if you are buying from someone who already has a title, or C of O if you are buying from someone who doesn't have C of O before now. This is done through ENGIS or Ministry of Lands and makes you the legal owner in government records. Step 7, start development. This is optional depending on what you want to do with the land. If you want to start building on the land, this is the time you go ahead and start fencing and developing the land once you have gotten your government approval. If you are in diaspora, you can hire a site manager or a real estate consultant to handle the project for you. Let's recap the entire process of buying land in Enugu from start to finish. Number 1, define your goal and budget. Number 2, choose a good location. Number 3, inspect the land. Number 4, verify ownership through ENGIS or Ministry of Lands. Number 5, make safe payment and collect your documents. Number 6, register the land to become the legal owner. Number 7, start development when you are ready. If you follow these outlined steps, 1. You will avoid scam and secure your investments. 2. You will have peace of mind even if you are buying from abroad. If you want help verifying a land or buying property back here in Enugu, drop a comment below and send me a message on the number on your screen 070-3902-3098. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so now, and remember to share this video to others who may have need to buy properties here in the city of Enugu and Nigeria in general. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.